if you've not updated the category on your book, it's totally wrong. Totally wrong. Since Amazon changed their cost price from June 20 to 2023, uh, it's needed for you to go and check the category as well, the pricing. For example, let me take you to this my paperback. Let me just check this and try see the content in this book. I'm going to show you something. Oh, sorry. Let me just connect to the internet and ensure I'm back. All right. So just a few seconds. I should be back to this. Okay. Okay. All right. So let me just refresh this page and we're good to go. So I'm going to launch this back and we come back to the okay. Sorry for that transmission. So what really happened here is if you go down to your book, the last part of this, for example, you see. Now this book is totally called 90 Days Healing Bible Verse with Devotions and Prayers, but at the category sections, look at what is placed. It's placed at Health, Fitness, and Healing. Health, Fitness, and Healing. What will my book be doing here at Health and Fitness? Religious counseling and stuff like this. And just 2 out of 7 we could add before, but now I think let me just go straight to the category stuff and just make some changes to this. I believe first of all this book should be at the parental relationship, which is very important. Then since it's more of a healing stuff, I want these people to talk about family activities in case they feel like praying with the book. So I want to put that there. Then I will find another category I think is better. I'm going to move down to religion and spirituality or self-help instead and try put some stuff here. So we have that of devotions that I think is in this aspect. So devotions, let's see what's here. Spirituality, okay. Let's just go down a bit and see personal transformation. Let's see if there's anything in the personal transformation subcategories, because all these are important. Okay, we have that of self-help or spiritual. So you can pick both of them, but I just wanted to be in that side. Now I have book in parenting. I have that of self-help. Now I'll choose the last one, which could be spiritual. Yes. So now I'll go straight to the spiritual aspect, which is religion and spirituality. Then I'm going to move down to subcategory. From subcategory, so in the subcategory, we can check if we have anything related. Religion and study, worship and devotion. I think this is even better. So we have religion and spirituality, worship and devotion. I can narrow down and pick devotional because this book should be in that place and I'm good to go. So I could save category, then I'll hit on continue. Now this has been updated. Then I'll click on save and continue and review the price because the pricing changes and it means some of your book might even have 000 when you're done, like you won't have any income from it. So we're going to move straight to the last part of it and just see if there's any changes. So it's going to check this. Now look at the cost price, 4.50. That's so much. Yes, and the color is just the black and white, but still I'm with just 206 page and I'm having 4 points. Before it was half the price. So I'm going to just review my price and try change it so that I have something out of this or my effort. You get. So now I'll go down to this, the last aspect of this. Then I'll move down and see the pricing. Then from here, I left it at 7. So 7 minus 4, which is just a small box. Look at royalty. Though I've removed all the dust, I'm going to leave this at something like, let me see, the paperback should be at a kind of 10.99. Depending, so it's your choice. If you want to leave it at that stuff, just leave it and later you can increase the price. So at least this 10, I could have some little dollars to this. Then when I'm good to go, now, I just want to say one thing about expanded distributions. There's something you must know. Your type of book you use, it's A5, A4, all these things matters. You see, I couldn't do expanded distribution because, so I'm going to talk about expanded distribution in the next video. So let me save this stuff and just wait for review. So all this will be saved very soon. All right, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to join me on this the race to become better on Amazon and how to make money with your phone and your laptop. So I'll be giving other updates as well. So like this video. If you want to drop a nice comment, please do that. If you want to turn on the notification bell, please do that. All right, thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.